Instagram is an excellent application for sharing pictures and videos on the story, and whatever the story you upload, it gets auto-deleted within 24 hours. But recently, there are many users are saying their Instagram story is not deleting from their Instagram and it's showing them the same story over and over again. To solve your problem, follow only 3 methods. First, you need to remove Instagram buds. So tap on Hold your Instagram apps, tap App Info, scroll down and choose Battery Saver. Choose No Restrictions, go back, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Now, open Play Store. Tap Search, type Instagram. Now, you need to update it. After these 2 processes, your problem should get a fix if it doesn't follow the final solution. Open a browser, type instagram.com. Now, enter your login credential. Now you can remove or delete your Instagram store from your Instagram. And after that, you'll solve the problem will be solved and you'll be able to delete the Instagram story from your Instagram apps. If you guys still have issues with your Instagram, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.